Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trends. Please viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I really want to love somebody, I do. I just don't know if it's possible forever and ever. When I fall in love, it will be forever. I found my soulmate, I found my one true love. I found my one and only forever and always. I found that in you. I am permanently in love with you, always and forever. When two people really care about each other, they always find a way to make it work, no matter how hard it is. Hand in hand, you and me, today, tomorrow, forever. Trust me when I say I love you because I will always mean it. When we get to the end of our lives together, the house we had, the car we drove, the things we possessed won't matter. What will matter is that I had you and you had me. No relationship is all sunshine, but two people can share one umbrella and survive the storm together. I dreamed about being with you forever. I plan on being with you until forever ends. The most beautiful clothes that can dress a woman are the arms of the man she loves. The best feeling in the world is being with someone who wants you as much as you want them. Our love is forever. You deserve a love that is willing to risk everything for you. I fell for you unacceptedly, but no, I plan to be with you forever. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. You are the reason I believe in love. Now my years of time with you will be long enough, but let's start with forever. I will love you until infinity runs out, which is never. My heart is and always will be yours. Thanks for watching my video.